Here's a certified 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLB, a compact package with oversized accommodations exceeding all expectations. And it comes with all the amenities you need: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, external memory control, smart device remote engine start, voice-activated climate controls, and auto-shift manual transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.